Hello guys, welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to download copyright free songs on your phone from the YouTube studio. If you're a content creator and you use phone basically to create all your content and you don't have access to a computer and you're wondering how do I get copyright free songs, I will show you in a moment how to do that. For a lot of us in this part of the world, we use phone to create our content. We use phone to do everything we do. We don't have access to a computer. Be rest assured that you will see how to get copyright free songs without stress on your YouTube studio. So without further ado, let's get right into it. First things first, we'll be going to our Chrome browser. We'll not be using the YouTube studio app. On our Chrome browser, this is what I want you to know. So once you browse, type in studio.youtube.com on your Chrome browser. This works for Chrome and Safari browser. I don't know about Opera Mini or other browser, but this is what you do. When it says get the app, don't use that option, because if you go through that route, you're not going to get the song from there. So we say continue to studio. So you see, it says welcome to YouTube studio. So basically continue. So this is how the YouTube studio looks like in a computer. This is the dashboard. The only thing that you have to do here is that you have to look closely to see. You have to either zoom in to see what you're doing, or you have to squint your eyes, whichever one. So this channel has no, you see that we are on the YouTube studio. In here you can see your dashboard, your content you've uploaded. Obviously this channel has no content. You can see your playlist, you can see your analytics, you can see comments, you can see your monetization tab, you can see everything. So we click on audio, the last one on your left, audio library. So you see all the songs that has been recently uploaded. So this is it. This is how you'll have to scroll like this to see all the songs. I don't want to put my phone on landscape mode. I want it to be on portrait, because the people watching this video are using phone to create their content. So let's click on one. So what you do here, you look at license type, or you read the license that you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including videos that you monetize. No attribution is required. YouTube may credit the artist and link the audio library from your video. You may not make available, distribute, or perform music files from this library separately from videos and other content into which you have incorporated the music files. Like example, standalone distribution of these files is not permitted. So for whichever songs you want to download, just check the license type, because there are some license type that will require you to copy the attribution and paste on your description while you're uploading the video to your channel. Let's see example of such music. I'm going to type the one I'm already known to. So let's look at the license type of this music. It says CC, meaning that, let's open it. It says you can use this audio track in any of your videos, including the videos that you monetize. However, you must include the following information in your video description. You see that? So this music, now for you to use it, you have to copy this attribution and paste it in your description. But music that came from 2020 to 2022, they don't have this CC on them. YouTube just gives the attribution themselves. But for music that came before 2020, I think some of them has this CC as their license type. So once you've gotten clarified the kind of license type you've gotten, let's clear this search. See the issue? Because I'm using a phone, you have to zoom in and zoom out to be able to see what you're doing. Now you can search music, you can filter the music you search, you can search by genre. You see that? Or you can filter by mood. You can filter by track title, genre, mood, artist name, duration. You can just filter so you can get the best results you're looking for. So right now there is also sound effects on the YouTube library, and also once you see a song you like, you can star it so that once you come back to download it, if you don't have it again in your phone, you can now download it. So let's see this. Let's pick a song and download. We'll search by filter. So I want a song in the mood of inspirational and calm. I apply that filter. I don't want to filter by duration. Let me close it so I can see everything I'm looking for. Oh my god, man. So let's play these songs and see what they sound like. Island Dream. So use now style to save it for later download. So this sounds like a cool song. Let me check another one because I'll be using it as a background of this video when I edit it. Yeah, I like this. So we'll be downloading. I will start this also. So we'll be downloading First Dream and Island Dream. So let's proceed to download. I click on First Dream. You see that downloading file is being downloaded. So let's download Island Dream. That has downloaded. So let's go to our file manager to see what we've downloaded, to be sure it came on our phone. Let's be sure. Let's go to our file manager. You see the song we just downloaded. This is our file manager. You get a picture. So this Island Dream and this one is on our file manager. I have downloaded this song to my phone. So try this for people that create content with phone. This must have solved your problem. Check out this video also to see how to do some other things on YouTube Studio. Thank you so much for watching and do have a good one.